So my research is about how to make some of the manufacturing process automated using collaborative robots and industrial robots as well. So we take the initial idea and then we do some researches at university and do a pilot testing and try to implement it in a factory so that the people can use it or increase their efficiency. The first universal shower base, because they had a purpose when they started the project. They wanted to make their production more sustainable. So we analyzed their manufacturing process and came up with a process that can completely automate their manufacturing process. And then we did a proof of concept to show how it can be done. And now we are going for a grant application along with my whole team to make it implemented in a factory. And another project at the moment we worked with is InfraBuild. So they had some limitations at the moment in their steel coil manufacturing. We came up with some big projects on how we can handle it and divided them into different stages. And at the moment we completed their first stage on how we can identify some key features. And as the next stage, we are going to deploy the computer vision system in their factory and do a pilot testing. And one of the other partners that we are going to start a project is with Smenco. Smenco expertise on collaborative welding, and we are trying to collaborate with them to approach a new process, which we call it as adaptive welding, how to update their welding parameters in real time so that we don't have to reject parts after the welding. So in real time, you can update the parameters in that process.